Thieth ne nyithindo mag korko nyuol yo Kapsabet Referral Hospital oyudo kony maduong' bang' yudo masinde mag chiwo thieth kendo neno ni nyithindo minyuolo yudo kony mowinjore kanyakla gi megegi. Konyno ero nochiw gi riwruok mar Kenya Deposit Insurance Corporation KDIC kendo igeno ni obiro bero chiwo sir mowinjore ne osiptandno ma Kapsabet kendo chiwo kony mowinjore ne nyithindogo. Bende mine mayach biro yudo kony mowinjore kendo po nono ni kindegi ochopo mar konyore, ibiro ne ni gikonyore e yo makare.
CTG machines, 3 radiant warmers, 4 patient monitors, 4 manual delivery beds, 2 photography machines, 20 delivery packs, 10 theatre gowns and 10 theatre drapes. This is just by the beginning of our collaboration with Nandi County. We hope to see more of this where we'll be able to support as the needs may be identified.
These are equipment that are going to go a long way in ensuring that maternity services are provided in a more quality manner because of the support equipment that are needed in service delivery.
This is a response to a request that we sent out last year. Towards the end of last year, it must have been in October, November last year, we sent out a request to KDIC to consider supporting Nandi County through their CSR program. And today we are excited that this has come to a reality. We are very grateful to all the partners who have put their hand to support us in various ways, but specifically today we are very grateful to KDIC.